Oracle is a widely used relational database management system that is known for its scalability, advanced features, and robust security capabilities. As an Oracle administrator, you will be responsible for managing and maintaining these databases, ensuring that they are running smoothly and efficiently. In this article, we will provide an overview of the key responsibilities and skills needed for an Oracle database administrator. First and foremost, an Oracle administrator is responsible for installing, configuring, and maintaining the Oracle database software. This includes tasks such as creating and managing databases, configuring security settings, and monitoring performance. Oracle administrators also need to have a strong understanding of the underlying hardware and operating systems that the database runs on, as well as the network and storage infrastructure. Another key responsibility of an Oracle administrator is to ensure that the database is backed up and recoverable in the event of a failure. This includes creating and maintaining regular backups, as well as testing and verifying the recovery process. Additionally, administrators need to be able to troubleshoot and resolve any issues that arise with the database, such as performance bottlenecks or data corruption. In addition to technical skills, Oracle administrators also need to have good communication and problem-solving skills. They will often work closely with other IT staff, as well as business users, to understand their needs and ensure that the database is meeting their requirements. They will also be responsible for communicating any issues or changes to the database to the relevant parties, and for providing training and support to users. In summary, Oracle Database Administration is a challenging and rewarding role that requires a combination of technical expertise, problem-solving skills, and good communication. If you are interested in pursuing a career in Oracle administration, it is important to gain a solid understanding of the Oracle database software and to stay current with the latest developments and best practices in the field. Real-world applications of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure is a powerful and flexible cloud-based platform that allows organizations to run their applications and services in the cloud. In this article, we will explore some of the key features of OCI and how it can be used in real-world scenarios to help organizations scale and optimize their operations. One of the key benefits of OCI is its scalability. With OCI, organizations can easily scale up or down their compute, storage, and networking resources as needed, without having to worry about provisioning or configuring new hardware. This makes OCI an ideal platform for organizations that need to handle sudden spikes in traffic or demand for their applications or services. Another important feature of OCI is its security capabilities. OCI includes a wide range of security features, such as encryption, authentication, and access controls, to help protect sensitive data and ensure that only authorized users have access to it. Additionally, OCI also offers a variety of compliance features to help organizations meet regulatory requirements and maintain compliance with industry standards. OCI also offers a range of data warehousing and business intelligence tools that can help organizations to gain insights from their data and make more informed business decisions. For example, OCI includes a fully managed service for data warehousing, which allows organizations to easily store, manage, and query large volumes of data. Additionally, OCI also provides a range of analytics and visualization tools that can be used to explore and analyze data in real time. In addition, OCI can be used to run containerized applications using Oracle Container Engine for Kubernetes, which is a fully managed, scalable, and highly available service that makes it easy to deploy and run containerized applications using Kubernetes.
This allows organizations to easily run and manage their applications in a highly available and scalable manner, without having to worry about the underlying infrastructure. Finally, OCI also provides a range of services for networking, load balancing, and content delivery, which allows organizations to easily connect and manage their applications and services. For example, OCI's Virtual Cloud Network service allows organizations to create their own virtual networks in the cloud, with full control over the network's IP address range, security policies, and routing. In summary, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure is a powerful and flexible cloud-based platform that offers a wide range of features and services for running and managing applications and services in the cloud. Whether you are looking to scale your operations, improve security, or gain insights from your data, Oracle has the tools and capabilities you need to succeed. Oracle SQL tuning techniques for improved performance. Oracle's SQL language is a powerful tool for retrieving and manipulating data within a database. However, as databases grow in size and complexity, it can become increasingly difficult to ensure that SQL queries are running efficiently and effectively. In this article, we will explore some of the key techniques for tuning SQL queries in Oracle to improve performance. The first step in tuning SQL queries is to identify the bottlenecks that are causing poor performance. Oracle provides a range of tools and metrics that can help you to identify and troubleshoot performance issues, such as the Automatic Workload Repository and the SQL Tuning Advisor. These tools can help you to identify slow-running queries, poor indexing, and other performance issues that are impacting your database. Once you have identified the bottlenecks, the next step is to optimize the SQL queries themselves. This can involve a range of techniques, such as rewriting the query to use more efficient join operations, or rewriting the query to take advantage of indexes. Additionally, you can also use the Explain Plan feature in Oracle to visualize the execution plan for a query and identify areas where performance can be improved. Another important technique for tuning SQL in Oracle is to use hints. Hints are special commands that can be added to a query to influence the optimizer's execution plan. For example, you can use hints to force the optimizer to use a specific index or join order, or to disable certain optimization techniques. Finally, it's also important to regularly monitor your database and make adjustments as needed. This could include regularly updating statistics, adding or dropping indexes, or reorganizing table and indexes. In summary, tuning SQL queries in Oracle is an ongoing process that requires a combination of tools, techniques, and expertise. By identifying bottlenecks, optimizing queries, using hints, and regularly monitoring your database, you can improve performance and ensure that your SQL queries are running as efficiently as possible. Oracle versus MySQL, comparing two of the most popular RDBMS. Oracle and MySQL are two of the most popular relational database management systems in use.